What is My Shed Plans? My Shed Plans is a complete program that will guide you through the process of building a beautiful shed. The author of the book, Ryan Henderson, gives individual plans and step-by-step guidance. The book also shows how to create a shed within a budget. You can make a good shelter much cheaper than the expensive, constructed sheds that you see in stores. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. How does My Shed Plans works? My Shed Plans contains all the information you need to build at home. You do not have to be a woodworker before using valuable preparation here. It includes complete instructions from A to Z that allow you to manage to build shed in a pretty fast, interesting and simple way. The guide includes different types of plans. You will receive guidance that you must follow to create the desired shed. It's over 12,000 construction plans for builders and various woodworking models that you can find. After the purchase, you will be given with all projects and woodworking blueprints within 5 minutes of download. Benefits of My Shed Plans. My Shed Plans guide has everything you need to become a successful builder. This plan gives the right tips, tools, and determination to quickly and easily create a shed. For this reason, it contains all the procedures that can help you remove errors and restore them successfully. In addition, how to use this equipment are implemented in the form of a video. Efficient and useful lists of materials with price and availability information. Click the link below for visit official site. Bonus. Advanced woodworking tips. Magic modifications. Complete directory of woodworking suppliers and wholesalers. 400 woodworking plans. Pros. This program is user-friendly and affordable. It is of high quality and complete plans with useful explanations. All instructions are given in simple languages so it is easy to understand. It is a great package for people without the knowledge of construction. These plans are quite extensive and supported by colorful images. This makes the reader's work much easier. Cons. It is available only online, so you need an internet connection to get it. If you want to get good and effective results, you must follow the instruction regularly. For more information, click the link below.